finishing up with the SN95. We finished the roof up today. Pretty basic job. We took it all the way down to the metal. Went over it with some tack cloth and some acetone. Now we've sprayed it just with some sandable black primer, letting it dry up. Looks a lot better. It was in pretty rough shape. Anybody at home can do it yourself. It just takes a couple hour tools and some time. Well, the change it makes, if you've seen our video prior to this one, this roof, it was flaking, had big rust spots and things like that. But this is going to finish up the SN95 project. On to the next one.